What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This right here is my new to me 2005 Nissan 350Z convertible top. This is actually the first convertible that I've owned, and it's actually a really good example of what a pristine 350Z should look like. This vehicle, believe it or not, has 316,000 miles. I believe this vehicle was repainted at one point, but regardless, it looks excellent. Exterior is 100% perfect. As you guys can see here, there is no issues with this vehicle. And like I said, this vehicle has 316,000 miles, and I bought it for just $2,500. Let me show you guys the interior of the vehicle here. It does have a little bit of wear and tear inside, which is to be expected with this many miles, but all in all, it's not terrible. Let me show you the cluster here. 316,000 miles going up to 317. It does have the navigation, and it does have the Bose audio system as well. This is a 2005 350Z, and it should be the 35th anniversary, so that's why it's yellow. And that's why we have the chrome wheels. I know some of these can come with the Brembo brakes as well, and that will be like a coupe, not the convertible, but this one is convertible. So the crazy thing about this vehicle is I purchased it from the original owner. They've had it since the beginning. This car was driven a lot, and it looks like whoever had it before me really took care of it. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to make a quick video to show you guys that if you maintain your vehicles, if you take care of them, do the maintenance on them that they need, they can also go a long distance, like how this vehicle has. It has 316,000 miles, but it does run and drive really strong. It doesn't do any weird noises in the engine. Everything is as it should. If you guys did like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Peace out.